welcome to new video of JS Technology Pro. I am Jyoti Saha and I am sharing lots of technological video for you. Today's video is very interesting because today I am gonna show you how to buy anything on Flipkart in present month and pay in next month. We all are love shopping, but in Corona pandemic situation we don't go to market and we all are using online shopping facilities in this situation. We all know that Flipkart has sells anything like mobile, clothes, groceries and etc. Now Flipkart introduced pay later option. In this case you need to install Flipkart's apps. If you have not installed these apps, then go to the Play Store and install the Flipkart apps or check the description of this video, and after install it, open your Flipkart account. If you have not subscribed my channel, then subscribe now and click on the bell icon and like this video and put a comment how is this video. So let's go to the smartphone screen to know how to use Flipkart pay later option.
So after install Flipkart apps and created your account, go to my account option. Here you see Flipkart pay later option and click on view on full details option. Then a small window opening. Here you want to done a small KYC. At first put your PAN card number and after putting your PAN card number, then fill up the Aadhaar card number. Then click on continue. Here make sure your Aadhaar card linked to your mobile number because an OTP come to your phone. After receiving OTP, then verify. Put your OTP and click on verify. Here all the details is filled up, and here click on agree all terms and conditions and submit. Then KYC is completed. Here you see Flipkart give you 2000 rupees credit. You will buy anything and pay in next month by this 2000 rupees.
Thank you for watching my video and wait for next video, because in next video I will tell you how to order products from Flipkart by using Flipkart pay later option. Thank you.